गोवा पोलिसांनी हालीच इंटरनॅशनल सेक्स रॅकेटीचो पर्दाफाश केला, पण पर्यटन मंत्री या प्रकरणाचेर मूग गिळून वगी रावला। ताचे मौन पळयल्यार प्रश्न पडटा, पर्यटन मंत्रीच गोंयांत सेक्स रॅकेट प्रमोट करिनामू? टीएमसीचो ट्रॉजन डिमेलो विचारता। गोंयचे पुलीस आंतरराष्ट्रीय सेक्स रॅकेट हाताळपाक असमर्थ आसात। तांनी बेगोबेग ही केस काढून सीबीआय कडेन दिवची ट्रॉजनान मागला। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
Now, very recently, there was a headline which said, International sex racket busted. What is busted, Baba? The entire sex racket has been busted? Just one thing, the tip of the iceberg, it is what we call it. Now the question is this a propaganda by the tourism department to get more tourists? I am saying this because the silence of the tourism minister on this issue is totally deafening. Just the other day, I had shown you how he is behaving as a legal tout, because he keeps on saying illegal touts. Again, I am repeating, there is nothing like illegal tout. A tout is a tout. Why is the tourism minister silent? Is he a part of the racket? And why now this international tourism racket, or the sex racket that has been so-called busted, had a lady, main accused, who has been living in Goa for 5 years without a visa. You mean to say the intelligence of the police has failed? Or have they busted this, or tried to bust it, or tried to arrest them, or tried to charge them? Is it because they were demanding more and they were not getting it? How could it go on for 5 years?
कायद्याचो भय कोणाक उरूकूच ना। देखून गोंयांत रेप केसी, खून, बायलां वयले अत्याचार, पर्यटकांची पिडणूक, अत्याचार वाडत चल्ल्यात आणि गोंयच्या पर्यटनाचेर हे वाडटे गुन्यांवकारीचो भोव परिणाम जाल्लो पळोवपाक मेळटा, अशेंय ट्रॉजन डिमेलोन सांगले।
Because there is no fear of this law or the law enforcing agencies, I would say it. Murders, rapes of tourists, sexual assaults on minors, robberies, beggars, you name it, and it's all flourishing so well that you don't require any other, what do you call that, publicity to finish the tourism sector in Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, जवाहर बर्वे आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।